All right, let's look at the homework 1.4, 1.5, problem number 1. All right, so we have f of x given as x squared plus 3, and g of x is square root of 2 minus x. All right, so f of x plus g of x, so all we have to do is add them up. So we have x squared, right, plus 3 plus square root of 2 minus x, right? And this is a subtraction, so x squared, x squared plus 3 minus square root of 2 minus x. Right, c is a multiplication, so we just multiply x squared plus 3 times square root of 2 minus x. Right, so here's the division. So you have x squared and plus 3. Then we're going to just divide through by, Right, so we're going to divide this guy through by square root of 2 minus x. And here, this is, so we take a g of x and plug it in here. So we have 2 minus x, then the squared kind of cancel out the square root. So you have simply 2 minus x, so that would be x squared, and plus 3. So I'm going to actually add 3 to it, so this is going to be 5. All right, and the other one, so we're going to plug x squared plus 3 for x. So you have, all right, this one is a little tricky. You're going to get this, square root of, and you have a 2 minus, then we're going to have to plug in f of x, which is x squared plus 3, right? But as you can see, 2 minus 3 is negative 1, so I can turn this into negative 1 and to get rid of this, right? Then we thought that this would be the right answer, right? But here's the tricky part. Here, x squared, negative x squared would be non-positive. You'll have a minus 1. So this inside expression is always negative, which is not good inside the square root. So in this case, this one is actually undefined, right? So we're going to put the enter undefined. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got all these guys correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.